And that's recording. And we're going to see Grandpa Bill with the little Brianna.
What? Talking to me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
She says, like, I can't really see her face. I'll say, I'll go over here. Hi.
Oh, did you spit up? No. Oh, it's a shame.
I'm sleepy. Sleepy
Okay,
baby.
Key of C has no sharps or flats. Key of F has one flat. Key of F has B flat.
Mm-hmm.
And key of B flat.
Key of C has no, did you say no flats or sharps?
No flats or sharps.
Okay.
Major triad is 4 flat. Major third on the bottom and minor third on top. Oh, that's right.
Dad, I don't think she understands you yet.
And then minor triad is the other way around. So,
Look at the little fingers. Oh.
Right, that would be an F sharp.
Okay.
I'm practically in hard labor, and she's like, I want to leave you until Rob comes. Like, go away. You know, my head is spinning around. All she could see was excitement. Oh, she was just, I mean, she's like, I just can't leave. I can't go. Every time, you know, I'd be a contraction or something, and I'd be going, you know, and she's standing there going, oh, you know, and I'm like, oh.
She was talking about how it just brought back everything to her.
She wanted to go through it with college.
Yeah.
I know she
I think
did.
she was secretly hoping Rob wasn't going to make it.
Yeah. It's pretty funny.
I'm sure you have to.
Oh, I have to.
So how did everything go? I mean,
It was so fast. I mean,
did
it
you
was
have
horrible,
your
yes,
doctor?
but it was.
Were you feeling stuff at work or just like?
No, although I think I had some. I mean, after I finally found out what it was really like to have one of those nasty contractions. I mean, I think I'd had those before, like, you know, something that you can't help but like squish or something. But
I saw the secretary and I said, Mike, did she have a woman? She said, she was in labor. That's the best time that I was pushing. I pushed longer than you and you're 10 years later. I'm so lucky woman.
I know, well,
Did
yeah,
you
I
have
know,
another
lucky. My doctor didn't even make it there, but she's like going,
You're kidding.
no, she didn't make it on time.
Who delivered?
The nurses here delivered her. I mean, she walked in later, just in time to check her over, you know,
Yeah,
basically.
she's getting hungry.